Bids for Wyman playground equipment. Page 41.
Page 41.
And there it is. Colors to be determined.
Yeah. Like, yeah, ask and you shall receive, huh?
Yep.
We did receive from 5 vendors. Our bid packet included 16 systems to bid on. Those were built around a budget. We gave the manufacturers a budget of $30,000 to $40,000 just for recommendations prior to the packet being put together. Once the packet was put together, we allowed them, we gave them a time period to submit any other systems that they felt might fit into the packet, and we reviewed those and approved those. So we ended up with 16, one of which received no bid, the Miracle 714 S486. They decided to not bid that. He had submitted 5, and basically that one was even more expensive, and he knew, had an idea of where the budget was needed to be. So all those were done, all the submittals were done prior to the packets being mailed out officially, and then it was a sealed bid process, so all the bids were received at the same time. The recommendation is for the board to purchase Miracle Model 718 S169J for $22,650. This is a model. All these vary slightly in size. You know, if you recall from the Wyman or from the middle school packet that I put together, we considered age that it was designed for, use area, which is the safety zone or whatever that needs to be around it and under it, the fall height, activities, number of activities, and the number of students that it can typically serve. This model is the second lowest bid. The lowest bid was from the same company. It did not offer some of the features that this one offered. For one thing, it had no shade on the other design. And so for where we're planning on putting this will serve kind of that pre-K younger group at Wyman. So it's an additional play system, but that's where we're gonna house approximately 120 4-year-olds next year. So we wanted something a little bit more appropriate for that age group. Some companies, some of these items on here are listed at 5-12 age groups. Others are 2 to 5 age groups. There were only 2 companies that actually offer products that are age range 2 to 12. But we still considered all those, but some of the features and designs are a little different. So it's interesting, this company 2 months ago, they were able to make maroon, and now they can't. But nobody else does either now. So of these 5 vendors, nobody offers maroon. So middle school will be maroon, but this one won't be.
It'll look like Buzzy Bee.
But we'll let Dr. Ray pick out the colors. But
that could be dangerous.
Anyway, recommendation, you can see the funding sources there. PTO has raised money, $15,000. We really want to, the PTOs are crucial to our district support. They go out and help raise money for things like this, and allows the district to continue to improve our facilities. So we thank them, and then Dr. Ray has set aside $7,650 to finish that off. So I'd like to make that recommendation that we award the bid.
Any questions or comments for Kelly?
That'll be awarded to Hutchison Recreation is the actual company. The brand is Miracle, but
I'll make the motion to accept the bid from Hutchison Recreation for the Colonel Wyman Elementary Miracle Model. You can read the number off there.
We're good.
169.
That one.
I will second it.
Any further discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries.